Have you ever found yourself surrounded by technology, yet feeling like something's missing? In a world where our devices are getting smarter, why do we still struggle with basic needs like immersive entertainment, home security, or keeping our gadgets charged? What if I told you that 6 revolutionary products are about to bridge that gap between what technology promises and what it actually delivers? Let's explore the future of smart living. Let's start with something that will change how you see the world, literally. The Roked Max R glasses are revolutionizing personal displays by offering a massive 215-inch virtual screen that weighs less than your smartphone. Imagine having a cinema-sized display wherever you go, without the bulk of traditional screens. These aren't just another pair of smart glasses, they're your personal entertainment powerhouse. With crystal clear 1080p resolution per eye and a comfortable 50-degree field of view, these glasses create an immersive experience that feels like watching a giant screen from 6 meters away. Whether you're catching up on your favorite shows during your commute or needing extra screen space for work, the Roked Max transforms any space into your personal theater. Now let's talk about sound that moves you, literally and figuratively. The Supernova Bluetooth speaker is where premium audio meets portability in perfect harmony. This isn't just another wireless speaker, it's an engineering marvel that delivers concert-quality sound in a package you can carry anywhere. With its cutting-edge acoustic architecture and dual passive radiators, Supernova fills any space with rich, detailed sound that makes you feel like you're in the front row of your favorite concert. The speaker's aerospace-grade aluminum body doesn't just look stunning. It's built to last, with IPX7 water resistance that lets you take your music anywhere, from beach parties to mountain hikes. And with its remarkable 20-hour battery life, the music never has to stop. But what about keeping an eye on your home when you're enjoying all this entertainment? Meet the Inbot EBox, your home's new best friend. This adorable rolling robot is redefining home security by combining advanced surveillance with genuine companionship. Equipped with a 4K camera and sophisticated AI, EBox autonomously patrols your home, keeping watch over every corner. But it's more than just a security guard. It's a mobile companion that can check on elderly family members, entertain your pets while you're away, and facilitate video calls with loved ones. Its advanced object recognition ensures you're instantly alerted to any unusual activity, while its playful personality makes it a beloved addition to any household. Speaking of transforming your home, prepare to be dazzled by the Yite Cube. This isn't just another smart light. It's a piece of interactive art that responds to your life. Each cube is a masterpiece of engineering, capable of producing millions of colors and dynamic lighting effects. Stack them, arrange them, or spread them throughout your home to create stunning light installations that react to your touch, voice, or music. Whether you're setting the mood for a romantic dinner, creating the perfect background for your next video call, or just want to add some flair to your living space, the Yite Cube turns ordinary rooms into extraordinary experiences. In our increasingly connected world, keeping our devices charged has become a daily challenge. Enter the ChargeTree Go, the ultimate solution to your charging needs. This ingeniously designed device can power up your phone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds simultaneously, all while maintaining a footprint smaller than your smartphone. Its foldable design makes it perfect for travel, And the built-in power bank ensures you're never left with dead devices. Supporting all major charging standards and offering fast charging capabilities, the ChargeTree Go is the only charging solution you'll ever need. Finally, let's explore the future of home security with the Yui Cam 3S330. This solar-powered guardian never sleeps, never needs charging, and never misses a thing. With advanced AI technology, it can differentiate between humans, vehicles, and animals, ensuring you only get alerts that matter. The integrated solar panel means continuous operation without the hassle of battery changes, while the 4K resolution captures every detail with stunning clarity, day or night. Local storage keeps your footage private and secure, and powerful two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors or deter unwanted guests. It's not just a security camera. It's peace of mind powered by the sun. These 6 innovations represent more than just new gadgets. They're solutions to real-world challenges we face every day. From transforming how we experience entertainment and securing our homes to keeping our devices powered and our spaces beautifully lit, each product brings us closer to the seamlessly connected future we've always dreamed of. The question isn't whether technology can enhance our lives. It's which of these groundbreaking devices you'll choose to start with. In a world where technology often promises more than it delivers, these 6 products stand out by actually making our lives simpler, safer, and more enjoyable. The future of smart living isn't just a concept anymore. It's here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. Thanks for tuning into Tech Trends Central. If this review sparked your tech curiosity, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with the latest trends and innovations. Have a gadget or gear in mind? Share it in the comments, and I'll get it on the radar. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve and keep riding the tech wave with Tech Trends Central.